Okay, so now let's look at this first example, examination examples. Example 1. Given that f of x is equal to x plus 1 and g of x is equal to 3x, find f of g of x and g of f of x. So the first one, let's label it A. This is our B. So the A part, we want to find f of g of what? Of x. This means that we are finding f of g of x. F of g of x. Alright. It just means we are saying f times g of x. You can remove the brackets, these brackets, and say f of g of x. Alright. So f, what is our g of x? Our g of x is 3x. Now let's take our equation f of x. F is just means f of x. Take our f of x is x plus 1. And where there is x in that, we are putting 3x. Where there is x in f of x, we are putting 3x. Where there is x, put your 3x plus 1. So this is f of g of what? Of x. Alright, the B part, we want to find g of f of what? Of x. This is the same as g f of x. Our g of x is what? It's 3x. So where there is x in g of x, we are substituting. Okay, so the first step, our f of x is what? X plus 1. Take your g of x, which is 3x. Where there is x in that one, put x plus 1 is 3x. So where there is x, you put x plus 1. Now 3 times x, 3x, 3 times 1 plus 3. This is g of f of x. This is how we deal with composite functions. I will explain again example 2.